Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to delete your Telegram account permanently from Telegram desktop application. So open your Telegram app, then click the three line left of corner on your screen, click the setting option and click the privacy and security and scroll down, and the last option, the bottom part, delete my account, click here. So you will get a different time frame. So if you don't come online at least once within this period, your account will be deleted along with all the groups, messages and contacts. So you can't able to delete your account permanently in instant. So if you choose the 1 month, it means if you delete your Telegram app, then after 1 month your account will be deleted permanently. So click the save, and that's it. So this way you can delete your account. So friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.